If you've ever wondered how to see which keywords your pages already rank for, this quick 3-minute tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to check your rankings in no time and get insights into how your pages are performing for SEO. To start, you can use Google Search Console. If you're not already using it, it's time to get it set up. Once connected to your website, head over to the Performance tab. Here, you'll find a detailed report of the queries that are already driving traffic to your site. You'll see impressions, clicks, and average position for each keyword. This tells you which keywords are already bringing people to your pages and which ones need a little more work. Next, you'll want to pay attention to the Pages tab within the same Performance section. It shows you which of your specific pages are ranking for those keywords. This is helpful because it allows you to identify which pages are performing well for the keywords you care about. You can use this data to optimize pages that may not be ranking as high as you'd like, or target new keywords that could bring in more traffic. Another tool I recommend is SEMrush. SEMrush gives you a detailed overview of which keywords your pages are ranking for, and you can even get insights into how you compare with your competitors. This tool offers a position tracking feature where you can enter your URLs, and it will show you the keywords you're ranking for and their positions. The good thing about SEMrush is it shows you trends over time, so you can easily spot which keywords are gaining or losing traction. Now, if you're after more advanced keyword research, Ahrefs is an excellent choice. It has a Site Explorer tool that shows exactly which keywords your website ranks for. By plugging in your domain, you get a comprehensive report of the keywords, along with the position, search volume, and click-through rate for each keyword. You can also compare the performance of multiple pages and decide which ones need improvement or which ones are doing well. One tool I found incredibly useful is Suggest. It's simpler than others and gives you keyword rankings alongside recommendations for improvements. You can use Suggest to track your keyword performance and optimize your strategy without a complicated interface. To wrap this up, remember that each of these tools allows you to track your rankings, analyze your pages, and discover areas for improvement. The key takeaway is that knowing which keywords your pages are ranking for can help you optimize your content for better SEO results and traffic growth. Each tool has its strengths, but they all provide essential insights for making data-driven decisions to boost your rankings. If you want to follow along and try some of these tools, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below just for my viewers. Don't miss out on the chance to take advantage of that. To quickly recap, Google Search Console is great for quick keyword insights and performance. SEMrush gives you a competitor comparison. Ahrefs is perfect for advanced tracking and detailed data. And Suggest keeps it simple and user-friendly. Now, if you want to dive deeper, remember to check out the free trial link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.